Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a blog on Canva. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Canva website. After that, just go to the home page and navigate your way here to the search option and write blog websites and then search for it. So you will find many kind of blog websites here. I'll just go with this one. Wait a second, just write blog website, cut out the S, and you will see many kind of blog websites here. I'll just go with this one, click on customize template, and the blog website of your choice will open up. So you can edit the website as you like, and then you can also publish it. So that's it with the video, guys. I hope it helps you. Thanks for watching and take care.